Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to align fields. I had showed you previously how you can align like the left-hand side of fields to get them all even, but sometimes you want to align them so they're on the same line across. So I'm going to click on this field right here, email. I'm going to hold the control key down and click on the website. I'm going to go up to format. I'm going to go to align. And because these fields are the exact same size, it doesn't really matter if I align the tops, the middles, or the bottoms. But I'm just going to go middles to be, frankly, middle of the road and click on that. And you'll see now these are aligned perfectly. If one of these fields was bigger or different in size, let's say this one was really tall, I could have aligned the bottoms to get it to all line up. But that's how you do it. Let's do these two right here. Again, I clicked on the first one. I'm going to hold the control key down. I'm going to go format. Let's go align. And this time, again, I'm going to go bottoms. And because they're the same size, we're all good. I'm going to click email and I'm going to drag it up. I'm going to move it a little bit above. I'm going to drag website. I'm going to put it a little below. And at this point in time, I'm going to click this. I'm going to click this, this, this. And again, I held the control key down. I'm going to go to format, align, and I'm going to go tops. And now they're all in perfect alignment. So these are just some subtle ways you can get things to align and work and make it look nice in your layout. Thank you everyone for being here. It's greatly appreciated. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.